my people, welcome to the third video in this series, heading elements. So now in this one, so continue from where I stopped. So I'm going to put my cursor here. I want to show you a shortcut but I prefer the image. Now where this cursor is blinking, you can hold shift and then alt, hold it down together and then press the down arrow on your keyboard, the down arrow on your keyboard. So you press the down arrow. Can you see it? Yeah. So now because you have downloaded auto rename tag, if you remove the 2 and put 3, it will be effected in the 2 end. Can you see it? H3. You don't need to type it. So this is another way of duplicating and then quickly editing stuff. So don't forget Shift Alt down arrow. So on your keyboard, right? If you don't want to do that, you can just continue. This is what heading. Let's call this one heading 3. So probably I should change this one to 1 in number. So can you see that? So change it to 1 in number. So I go here, I type H4. Okay, now H4, press enter, and you have heading 4. Okay, press enter, H5. So heading 5, right? So type again H6, you can forward it. So heading 6. So now, having done this, these are the 6 headings. Now, what do we use heading for? As the name implies, is for heading on web page. When you go to our web pages, you see more bold header. Now, it's just like you are writing English notes. You have the main topic written in bold capital letter. You have subtopics. You have title for some sections. All those things are what we use these headings for. So it is not left for you to know which one to use in what area. Which one should I use for the main topic? Which one should I use for the subtopic? So by launching it, we can see all this. So you don't need to be relaunching since it refresh automatically. So you can go to your Chrome. I'm using Chrome as my own default. You can see it. I don't need to relaunch every time. Okay, and I want you to know something, that we've changed this thing to heading elements. You can see it here. It's heading element that is showing. Okay, and then you can see like this first one now can be used as the main topic. This one can be used as a subtopic, and this one can be used as subsections topic or title of, you can see the heading one element has the highest size, okay, and is bolder, and compared to heading 6, which has what, the smallest size. Are you getting that? So anything heading on your web page, title, all those things, we use heading elements for it. That's the essence of the heading element. So this concludes this series in when talking about heading element. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment section and I will attend to it. Thank you and God bless you. See you in paragraph. Next topic, paragraph element.